Is your 2012 Toyota Camry key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. Let's fix it step by step. First, replace the CR232 battery. Use a small screwdriver or coin to pry open the fob. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, then reassemble and test the fob within 3 to 5 feet of your vehicle. If the battery replacement doesn't work, try a smart key reset. Insert the key into the ignition without turning it. Press the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. Remove the key and test the fob. Signal interference from metal objects or electronics can cause temporary problems. Try moving away from potential sources. These fixes solve most key fob issues. If battery replacement and a reset don't fix your 2012 Camry key fob, you might need to relearn or reprogram the key. A basic DIY relearn involves sitting in the driver's seat, closing doors, inserting the key into the ignition, turning to on, don't start, then back to off. Repeat 5 to 6 times within 10 seconds, then press any key fob button. Follow any vehicle prompts. However, a full relearn often requires professional tools, especially for multiple keys. If DIY fails, visit a Toyota dealership. As of 2025, expect to pay $50 to $150. If your key fob issues persist, signal interference is ruled out, and basic fixes fail, a professional diagnosis is recommended, as there may be underlying electronic issues in the vehicle's immobilizer system.